everyone, let's learn French with Sana. Today we will learn how to meet and greet a French person. How we say hi and namaste in Hindi. In French, we say bonjour. Yes, it's bonjour. Come on, say it with me. Yes, it's bonjour. Bonjour is also used to say good morning. When we greet and meet a friend, we say salut. Salut also means hi. We use bonjour when we're talking to anybody, regardless if we know them or we don't know them. However, we can only use the word salut when we're talking to people we're remotely close to or people we know. Salut. Salut. Come, say it with me. That's right, it's salut. When we're saying goodbye to anybody, we will say au revoir. Say it. Au revoir. Say it with me now. That's right, it's au revoir. Now let's quickly recap what words we have learned. Bonjour. Salut. Au revoir.